Hello friends, Tony here, welcome. So we have CRUD for users, for roles, permissions. Now let's work with tasks because now if I click nothing changed. So I'm going to open the VS Code. And yeah, first we need to zoom it. I'm going to close everything. And inside the permission or roles, I'm going to duplicate this. So duplicate, and this is going to be tasks. Okay. And we're going to work with this. So first let's change roles. Oh yeah, we need to remove this too. Change the title to be tasks. We need to import the index from routes tasks. And yeah, also change this name to tasks index, where the get tasks, and let's import also the task type. Let's see the task type we have ID is active. Okay. Also here, let's change the title. Create task here, not index, but we need the create route from routes tasks. Next, a list of tasks, title, and yeah, we need to open also the tasks. Migration, what we can add here is title. And description, nullable, and is active. So data sign table, a boolean. Not, yeah, it is completed, we can say. Yeah, let's leave it is completed. Save as default false. And let's open the terminal and run artisan migrate fresh data zip. Okay, now this is completed. We need to open the index.ds and change this. Also, we need to add description. Save, close this one. Also close this one. And let's open the task model. And here we need to add protected fillable title description is completed, and is completed is a boolean. So let's say protected cast is completed to be boolean. Save, close. So we have title. This one is going to be for the description, and this one is going to be for completed. Okay, and we have actions, and then we need to change this to tasks. Title description is completed, yes or no. And yeah, we need also here to import the edit from the task controller and import the destroy from the task controller as well. Here I don't know why we have this. So remove that. I think we are good here. Let's remove the role type and save and see on the browser. I click, yeah, so we need to open the controller, task controller, and inside the index now let's return tasks index, passing all the tasks. We got sign up because we run migrate fresh, create, go to tasks, and here we have tasks table. We have a button, create a task, and let's work with that button because right now nothing is going to happen. On the create, where the return inertia, render tasks create, which we have imported from roles. We need to update, yeah. remove this and also remove the controller we have imported for roles. So change the title to be tasks and import the index from routes tasks. Okay. Also import the create from tasks. Change this to task create a task, import the not role controller, but task controller from action, like here. And we have a title and the HTML for title here. Let's change also the title here, title here, title here, and title here, and title here. I think we're good. Next, we have a description, and let's say this is going to be a description. And let's change all of them with description. Okay, placeholder, task description, also here description. And yeah, we have also the is completed, which is going to be a checkbox. So let's add a div with class name labeled for completed and not input, but we have checkbox from components UI checkbox. Okay, it's going to have an ID, yes, it's going to be is completed, and the name is completed, and we can also display the error if we want, but not going to do that. Here, let's change this to create task button, and also here create task. I'm going to save, and let's go here on the create. Yeah, we need to create also the requests for artisan make request, and the name is in the deep task or request, and another one for the task update request. And let's use them. So task store a request. We're not going to say request validated. And here, let's change first this to be true. And here we have to define the title required string description and is completed. Let's go also the same thing on the somebody copy update task. So let's say task update. So change that to true and paste that, save, close also this one. And let's work. So here, as I said, not like this, but we are going to say not like this. Let's say $sign request title. This one request description. And this one that is completed is going to be request is completed or false. So if this is completed is there, which means it's going to be true, we're going to say this one, otherwise it's going to be false. And the same thing we can do. Let's remove the show on the edit. Edit is going to return the task edit, and here we are going to say task update, and also let's change the destroy, and we need to return further out tasks index. And the same thing we need to do also on the update and on the create store. So we are good here. What we need is to go to task edit, because here we have roles, and let's go to task create, which somehow we are okay, and select all copy, go to here and remove and paste that in. This is for create, which we are going to change on the task. First, let's change this to task edit. And we're going to receive the task, which should be a type of task. And then let's copy the breadcrumb, cut, not copy, and paste it here. Task index, this is going to be edit. And here we're going to add the edit URL from routes tasks, which expect also the task. Okay, let's remove the create from here. Next, instead of create task, we have to say update. And also change that update. Also here we need to add a task title. Here we need to add default values, the be task title, on the description also, and on the checkbox also. Default checked. Now here, not default value of checked, but default checked. Task is completed. And update task. Also here, update task. I think we're good here. Let's go to create task, completed. And yeah, the title field is required. The description is not showing because it's nullable. Let's see. Let's go to task controller and the store. Here we are. Description is nullable. Yes, sometimes it is not going to be a boolean. And that is because if I say $dump, I'll assign this all, save, come here and refresh. And if I just say completed, the is completed is on, not true or false. So for that, we have to say sometimes, and then on the task controller, we have to say if that is, pass it, otherwise change the false. Okay? The same thing we can do on the update. Remove this, save, come here and refresh. Now, completed. Git task, yeah, I forgot to remove this dump. Refresh again, check the completed. And now completed is yes. Let's create another one. And I'm going to uncheck this and check this no. Okay. We can edit is completed now because this one is completed. This one is not completed. We can make completed this, update the task, and also both of them are completed. We can also update the title and ... We can delete, of course, and delete this one, create another one. Yeah, if the title field is required, so the validation works. And now we have a CRUD for tasks, permissions, roles, users. What we need is to assign roles to users and then assign permissions to roles. And then for this task, view task, edit, create, or delete task. Okay. That's it all about this video now. If you like such videos, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like the video, share with your friends, and see you in the next one. All the best. Thank you very much.